Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Ringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Saksoft Limited. Actually, Saksoft is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of the stock, and this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed on the stock for analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Regarding data for technical analysis, we have data since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 20th. Now, if you look at the historical price path pattern, I am keeping the crosshairs here. Please closely observe the movement of the crosshairs. See, until this particular point, that means October 2013, stock was literally lying on the baseline, and only after 2013 onwards, the stock started moving in the upward direction and continuously making new highs. And it reached its peak in January 2016, and that time the stock was trading at 474 rupees, and today the stock is trading at 230 rupees, nearly half of the price, right? And after January 2016, the stock went down, crashed actually, and then it started moving in the sideways. Okay, though since then it started making new highs. You see that? Okay, leave this particular point, and since again you take March 2016 as a horizon, next horizon, then what happens is, if you start looking towards right, then you can clearly see the stock started making new highs. This is new high 1, new high 2, new high 3, and again stock went in consolidation phase, and after that again it started moving in the upward direction. Now, if this pattern continues, then definitely this time stock will cross 342, and it will trade nearly, it will 342, right? Yeah, it may reach up to 400, approximately 400, if this stock follows this pattern, right? So whatever is the current pattern, if it follows if this stock follows that, then definitely in this movement it will definitely rise up, and it will cross its previous peak, which is 342, and may go up to 400. That is the expectation, but we will see. We will come back to the stock later after a few days. But until then, it is the stock is good for short term instead of long term investment. So that is the initial conclusion. Okay, we'll come back. I mean, we will dig further, and then finally we will conclude. Okay, the stock had recently crossed its 20-day moving average, and it has already crossed its 50-day moving average, and right now it is on an influence of positive super trend mode, which is good. Relative strength of the stock is quite weak, and the direction strength had already crashed. Stochastics is down, and price volume is increasing. You can clearly see that. And since it's the starting of the year, I'm not seeing any spikes here. This is parallel line, constant, and momentum is literally down. Actually, it is playing in the negative phase, and balance of power is bearish, and even LRA is also in sync with the balance of power. Okay, right now it looks like stock is quite down actually. So in this scenario, it is difficult for the stock to move at least even up to 342. That is one particular thing. Or it will take a lot of time for the stock at least to move in the upward direction. So maybe that is one of the reasons. I mean, all these factors are dragging down the stock right now. So that is the reason it is not making huge advances in price rise. So that is one particular thing. So the conclusion is like this: the stock at this moment is good for short-term trading instead of long-term. When it comes to long-term investment, we have to put the stock in wait and watch mode. But short-term trading is okay for the stock. Okay, we'll come back to the stock later after a few days, and we will redo the analysis based on new points. Until then, the stock is good for short-term trading and not for long-term investment. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.